So this is how you connect your device via Wi-Fi Direct to your printer, and you can use it to print and scan with the HP Smart App. This is very useful if you are in an area where there is no Wi-Fi network. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to connect to Wi-Fi Direct for your HP Officejet Pro 8130 printer series. This is also applicable for your HP Officejet Pro 8120, 9120 or 9130 printer series. You may need to connect to Wi-Fi Direct to the printer if you are in an area where there is no network. Wi-Fi Direct allows your mobile devices or computer to connect directly to the printer, where you can use HP Smart App to scan and print. So let's head over to the control panel. So from the control panel, go to Menu, go to Settings, select Network. We're going to demo such that you are in an area where there is no wireless network. So we will turn off the Wi-Fi. Turn off the Wi-Fi. Let's go back. We'll select Wi-Fi Direct. Under Wi-Fi Direct, take note of the Wi-Fi Direct name. This is used for your devices to connect directly to the printer using this Wi-Fi Direct name. Let's view details. Please take note of the Wi-Fi Direct password. You will need this password to connect your devices directly to the printer. Let's go home. Next, we'll use our Android device to connect directly to the printer. So on our mobile phone, let's go to Network. Under Wi-Fi Networks, you can see the printer being displayed. Connect to the Wi-Fi Direct name of the printer. Enter the Wi-Fi Direct password to connect your phone to the printer. When your device is connected directly to the printer via Wi-Fi Direct, Internet will not be available. Select Keep the Wi-Fi connection. With your device connected directly to the printer via Wi-Fi Direct, let's start up HP Smart. Let's add our first printer. We need to select Already Connected to Network. It has found our printer. Select that. With the printer added, you can now use HP Smart to print and scan documents via Wi-Fi Direct. We'll do a demo for printer scan. We're going to scan a one-page document and we're going to place it on the document feeder. Before scanning, we need to ensure that the source is document feeder. Once that is done, let's scan. Your document is scanned, and this is done using Wi-Fi Direct connection. We'll go home. So this is how you connect your device via Wi-Fi Direct to your printer, and you can use it to print and scan with the HP Smart App. And again, this is very useful if you are in an area where there is no Wi-Fi network.